Hello everybody, welcome back to another video here with Chase for Gaming, and today we're going to be looking at ways to make redstone easier and better in Minecraft. And quick disclaimer, these are not, some of them are legitimate, and some of them aren't, and just kind of silly ideas that I like to see, and some of them, maybe the first one, I would like to see as some sort of add-on. So, this one I would like to see in actual game though. Number 1, redstone conductors. And I got a book here. Ooh, for me. Okay. So the redstone conductor would be crafted with redstone, redstone torches, blaze rods, and an iron ingot. They would be used to store redstone signals and could make redstone signals during a thunderstorm. So pretty much you'd have it standing up, and whenever a thunderstorm comes, it would trigger, it would activate redstone. And pretty much be crafted like this, with blaze rods. Pretty easy, But let's put the book back in here. So path continues this way. Oh, really? Okay, whatever. Oh, yeah. So, oh, that's beginning a showcase. What is, oh, this is the path, I guess? Signal storage. Okay. Signal storage would be like a signal storage tube, which would be a way to store redstone power. You could connect it to a conductor, which that would store its power. And you could craft it with glass, redstone blocks, and a chest. One thing would only store crafting it once would give you 16 redstone, and each one can hold up to 128 redstone dust worths of power. And you could put it, you could right click it with redstone on it to store redstone, and also you could just make some sort of output for it and you can also yeah, there's the thing. This is how you'd craft it. So the number, is this gonna kill me? No, it didn't. Okay, good. So we're back in this biome. Ooh, village. Let's go to number 3. So the redstone table. Read. It would be the redstone table would be like a normal crafting table, except it's the only way you would be able to craft other redstone things. And the way you would craft this is a bunch of other things that I'll show you in a second, and you'd be able to turn any of the signals into redstone dust, or redstone torches, or redstone blocks. Let's take a look at this. Oh, so it'd be like this, and for the record, it would be like 4x4, so it'd be different, and you can only craft things with redstone, but also with the storage tubes, you'd be able to see, kind of like a stone cutter. You put the thing in, and you'd be able to see if you want to turn it into redstone, or how much you could do it. So number 4 is power strip. So the redstone power strip would be like a power strip in real life, except you would only have to give it power through one side, and then the rest of it would get powered. It'd be crafted with iron, redstone dust, and stone. So you know how you plug in a power strip and it gives you 6 more plugins? Well, it'd be like that, except in Minecraft with redstone signals. Let's take a look at this. So it's in a 4x4 area, only be crafted with the redstone table, and this is suspecting. And it killed me again. Great. Now we're gonna follow this trail, I presume. Okay, honey pistons. I'm not gonna bother to read this whole book, but it'd pretty much be like a normal sticky piston, except with honey. So it'd be able to pull blocks, but not, I guess, drop them off at the same time. There'd be different things, because honey blocks with redstone are very weird, and this, I feel like, would be a very useful thing. So this is how you'd craft it: a piston, bottles of honey, and the honeycombs, and I keep doing that. Next one, powerful pistons. So I'm gonna grab the book and let's read it. The power piston would be like a normal piston, but twice as strong. You'd be able to craft it with a redstone block, iron, and quartz. and a normal piston. So, but also you'd be able to push blocks twice the length. Like normally it'd only be 12 blocks, but in this case it would be a lot more. It'd be like 24. You would craft it like this, and yeah, pretty much it'd also be like that, but you could tap it with a slime ball to make it a sticky piston, and then to take the slime ball off to make it just a normal piston, you use shears. And I guess we're going this way. But I guess while we're going on this ride, you guys should probably leave a like, click the bell, share with your friends if you think they'd be interested in this thing. What's the other thing? I can't think of it. Oh, yeah, subscribe. That's what that is. Yeah, you guys probably do that. So, we're here, I think. Just take this. So, Redstone beacon. Let's read this. A redstone beacon would be crafted with redstone blocks, another star, some redstone stained glass. It would be able to give you an effect called the engineer's ability. This effect would give you the ability to build faster, and another option would kind of like how haste makes you mine faster. This would make you build faster, be able to play stuff a lot faster. And another effect would be the hunger healer. This would fill your hunger as soon as you lose it. Sort of like absorption, but with hunger. And it would also have the options for the other effects, like from normal beacons, like haste, speed, jump boost, etc. And you'd also have to craft it only in a pyramid of redstone blocks instead of just iron or diamond or whatever, like this. Then, the diamond pressure plates. Now this is a pretty cool one. Diamond pressure plates would be crafted with 2 diamonds, like a normal pressure plate, and it would be like a normal pressure plate, except it would give off a higher signal strength, and also it only affect players with iron, gold, or diamond armor. It would affect it, so they could only get in your house with that pressure plate if they had iron, gold, or diamond armor. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the crafting recipe for this. Wait a sec. It'd be crafted like this, pretty simple. This, though, the diamond pressure plate would be crafted like that. So, coming off the path, it just goes to here. I don't know what this does. Oh, I love fishies. Oh, so cute. Okay, guys, I think this is number 9, the weather sensor. Just read this book. The weather sensor would be like a daylight sensor, except it would only sense winter. You can change it to give a redstone signal to rain, to thunderstorm. It would be crafted with wood, iron, redstone, and glass. And then I have the crafting recipe right over here. It'd be like this, very simple. And I guess we just go down here. It says to number 10, so I'll just click these again. And let's go. So guess we go in here. This one is already announced. That's going to be in 1.16, along with another update, target block. And I didn't write a book for this one because a lot of people already know what this is. It's pretty much if you shoot it, if you shoot at it, and if an arrow's at it, on it, it gives off a redstone signal. And the closer you are to the bullseye, the more redstone power to give off. And I'm just gonna make a crafting recipe that'd be crafted someone like that. Yeah. And that was the 10 things. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed this new thing. Instead of doing silent showcases, I figured I'd start doing things like this because they're extremely fun and people like to watch them. And this took forever to make, believe it or not. And yeah, leave a like, subscribe, share with your friends, and yeah, I will see you later, crew. Goodbye.